From the moment the sequences of RNA of coronavirus were published, we have taken the decision of going ahead with a new test. So from that moment on, that's when we decided to go ahead with the product, and we decided to launch into the market this new PCR assay. Well, at the very beginning, when everything started, it was complicated, because definitely none of us was expecting that this was going to be this hard. And CerTest, well, we have decided to make everything that was on our possibilities, on our side, to make all the necessary investments and everything else that was necessary to start a huge production for all over the world. So not only for the Spanish market, but everything was taken into account. So we have taken very quick decisions to make investments internally and to augment our production in a very quick way. Of course, we have learned lots of lessons, but for sure, the best lessons that we have learned is that definitely we have to keep on investing in the future, in the diagnostics. I think that the population now understands the necessity of having a good diagnostic of diseases, and we hope that this will be implemented in the future for all countries, not only of course Spain, that is our country, but everywhere else in the world. And I mean that the population, the regular population, is really now a bit more concerned with it, and for sure this will be important for the future of diagnostics and definitely for the future of the company. Right now, we are bigger than where we were, definitely. The company has grown exponentially, much better than where we were. I mean, we are much better prepared to new challenges that will come in the future. We have an amazing personnel. I mean, people that we have in the company are amazing, well trained, extremely competent, and for sure much better prepared than where we were at the very beginning of all of this. So the company is a different company, a completely different company, prepared for new challenges, and of course we'll be here to respond if necessary, if something new happens in the future. First of all, we'll be the biggest biotechnology company in Spain, and probably one of the biggest ones in Europe. So this is extremely important for us for the new upcoming challenges that we'll have. So we have announced, and this is public, that we will start, and we have started already, development of vaccines. So mRNA vaccines, this will be something that will take us to a new level. I mean, we are historically a biotechnology company dedicated to diagnostics. Now we'll be also a pharmaceutical company dedicated definitely to development of all of these techniques. Okay, so this is fundamental for us for the hopefully a bright future of the company. Right now we have, the biggest one and the most challenging one is definitely the development of vaccines, mRNA vaccines, and this has been a life-changing for all of us. I think most of the population now understands that vaccines are a huge part of the future of the world. So this is the biggest challenge that we have, and we are sure that we will handle it with success. The future of the company will come up definitely from these 3, 4, 5 projects that we have, these 5 projects that we have that we consider are extremely important for the company. Raw materials, diagnostics, and pharma.